Today we're doing pig ears. Big vibe. So this is a big Mississippi vibe. In Mississippi, like not even Mississippi, like down south, they cook a lot of pig skin, they cook pig ears, they cook all the stuff that you don't cook. So though, alright, so I got my pig here, as you can see. That's it. So now I'm gonna turn it into skewers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut little strips of it, and that's what's gonna give us that vibe. I'm gonna put it in my air fryer. This is gonna be the second time I've used the air fryer for something. Pretty good. I got the emerald one. They say those are the best ones. So as I said, big vibe. Hit that like button if it's your first time here and you like the channel. Hit that red subscribe button because we got that vibe. See that? We bring that vibe. Alright, so add some Cajun on there. So if you ever been like down south, this is huge. It's a huge down south thing. So best way to do it is hit it with that Louisiana Cajun down south vibe. So see that? So all you do, and this is gonna be a lot of fat, so you don't wanna put any oil or anything. So hit it with that Louisiana Cajun, and then I'm gonna put it in my air fryer. This is what it looks like. This is that Cajun pig ears, and we're gonna put it in the air fryer and cook it up. Let's get into the vibe. Big. Is I always put foil so you don't mess up your air fryer. That's what I've learned. That's the number one thing I've learned, is you want to put foil in the bottom of the pan. Then you want to put in your pig ear, form of odor or any neatness or niceness. Stick them in there. Then we're gonna close it. I like to give it one of those. Gonna hit it like that. Gonna go menu. We want to do 400 for 25 first. Then you hit start and it goes. Alright, so big vibe. Crispy, nice Cajun pork ears. Ready. Maybe the most disgusting thing you'll ever eat. This is a pork ears, Cajun, southern style.